Here are your lab objectives. In this lab, you will install an OS on a lab computer. You will boot from a USB device. You will format a hard drive. Installing is the process of creating, extracting, and moving all of the necessary files to run a program on a computer. When you install the OS on this lab computer, these files will be moved from the USB device to the hard drive. Format is the command that prepares a hard drive to hold data. If the disk or drive already contains information, all information on it will be erased. At the blue startup screen, you will want to hit F9 to enter the boot menu. The boot menu will allow you to select a device to boot from. For this lab, you will select USB device from the list of options. You will see a Windows screen like the one pictured. Leave the settings as they are and click Next. Accept the license terms and click Next again. Choose the Custom option when you see this Windows setup screen. Do not choose Upgrade. When you get to the Custom options, click the Format button at the bottom of the screen. You will need to format the hard drive to get it ready for the new OS to be installed. An alert will pop up warning that all data will be lost if the drive is formatted. This is OK. So go ahead and press the OK button. After a few short moments, you should see that all data has been erased. And what you're going to notice is that the free space of the drive should match the total size of the drive. That means that there are no files on that hard drive. Go ahead and record the hard drive capacity on your lab sheet. You will see a screen like this pop up, letting you know that Windows is installing. Please wait patiently and answer the rest of the questions on your lab sheet.